Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel iSTEP Mentors. Hope you all are doing good and you all had a great Diwali. So today I am going to tell you about the application process for Australia. So as you all know that Australian universities do not have any centralized system of application. You need to apply in different universities individually. Alright, and for that you need to decide your course and your education provider both for the very first thing. Another thing is you need to choose an agent for yourself. Right now, from past few intakes, Australian universities are not accepting any application without any registered agent. So you need to choose your university first, your course, and then an agent who is representing that university formally. Then once you are done with all of that, what documents you need at the very first stage? So you need all your academic documents starting from class 10th, your mark sheets along with your passing certificate. So for example, if you're applying for a bachelor's degree, you need to have your class 10th mark sheet plus passing certificate, your class 12th mark sheet plus passing certificate, and your English test scorecard. If your English test is yet to come, or if you have applied for it and you are going to give it in few months or a few weeks time, then you can apply for a conditional offer as well. But yes, your mark sheets are important. Now the question arises, what if I am in class 12th right now and I'm gonna pass out in 24? In that case, you need to have your predictive scores from your school. So your school will prepare a predictive score sheet for you on the basis of your performance in class 11th and your unit test or your half yearlies or maybe your pre-boards. And on the basis of that predictive scores, you can apply for your conditional offer from most of the international universities based in Australia. Apart from this, and for example, you are applying for a postgraduate program. In that case, you need to have your 10th, 12th and your graduation mark sheet. If you have a semester system, then all 6 or 8 semester mark sheets with a provisional or a formal degree certificate. And in case you are in your final year, so you can apply for a conditional offer with your semester 7th or semester 5th mark sheet as well. So you need all your academic documents starting from class 10th till your last qualification, your IELTS or PTE or TOEFL, basically the English test results, and your work experience document in case you are working. So work ex document includes your appointment letter, your salary statements for about 6 months to whatever time frame you have worked. If you have worked for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, so at least 6 months of statements are required at the application stage. And if you have worked in multiple places, in that case appointments and relieving letters and your salary statements for all these years. Apart from these basic documents, we need to have a well written SOP. SOP need to be short, about 300 words. It must have details about you, your course chosen, the university, all of that. So I have made a different video on how to make a good SOP. The link is given in the description box. Please visit that for details on the SOP. Apart from SOP, we need to have a CV, a detailed CV of yours. And most of the universities have some specific forms at their application process stage. So you need to fill up all that forms, sign them duly and upload with all the documents which are required. So I will reiterate again, first and foremost, you need to finalize your course and your university. Then you need to find out an agent which is representing that university. Then all your academics, your English test, your work experience, your CV and your SOP, along with the forms which is required by the university. These forms could be SSVF, GTE or a generic questionnaire and sometimes SOP questionnaires also. And that is all. You need to apply for any Australian universities. Hope you find this video helpful. It adds on to the information that you already have. For more such informative videos, do subscribe to our channel, and thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.